Wolf Robotics, take 2.
I'm Rhoda. I'm the president and CEO of Wolf Robotics, and we're a company here in Fort Collins, Colorado that builds robotic welding and fabrication systems that go to some of the blue chip customers, companies in the world in construction equipment, ag equipment, industrial equipment, rail car, transportation, defense and mining equipment. So all these different segments, some of the best companies in the world. We provide the robotic welding and fabrication systems that go in their factories and make their factories safer and their products better and faster. The history dates back to the 1940s. There was a little sugar beet harvesting manufacturing company in Fort Collins, and they developed a process to cut apart over and over and over. And that evolved into what we are today with a robotic welding systems company. We spun off from a big, large European conglomerate about 11 years ago. And we think we've got a noble mission, and it's about, in many cases, bringing manufacturing back to the United States, which can only be done through automation, the kind of things that we do. So, we build robotic welding systems, fabrication systems that they're expensive capital equipment, and they go to manufacturers of capital equipment. So that can be pretty volatile because the first thing that's cut in a budget when times get tough is the capital equipment. So there has to be sustained growth from our customers, these manufacturers, to say, okay, it's time to invest in our factories and provide more capital equipment. So key and strategic for us is, one is retain these existing customers. In a lot of cases, best in the world, typically American-based companies. But part of their strategies too is to replicate best manufacturing processes where they're producing in market in South America, Asia, or Europe. So our strategy is definitely to follow these key customers abroad into these other markets. So we have a number of installations in South America and Europe and Asia where we follow key customers and we're servicing them abroad. In manufacturing, it's kind of a renaissance time in the United States. I know in my career I've seen, at times manufacturing was definitely pushed aside, not important, in favor of maybe financing and other things. But it's clear to me we're seeing a resurgence, and a lot of our young engineers, there's a passion around manufacturing here, and that's warranted, and it's a great time with the technologies that we're doing, with robotics and so forth, a great time to be doing what we're doing and helping manufacturers and manufacturing ourselves. I'm very optimistic for the future. I think we've got a great team here. We're competing with some of the best and biggest companies in the world. I like our chances. We're well positioned. We're serving a real need. So I like where we're going. I like manufacturing in Colorado.